Hello beautiful people, here's how to make turmeric oil at home in less than a minute. I have my heat-proof plate here and I'm going to drop it in a pot of boiling water. I'll add my turmeric powder to it and next I will add my carrier oil into it. You can use any carrier oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, anyone is fine. Now keep stirring it, stir it so that it can infuse fast. Keep stirring. We're trying to get all the nutrients in the turmeric to get into the oil, so we are infusing the oil. After about 30 minutes of stirring, now leave the oil to cool and then strain it so that the turmeric powder does not get into the oil. And that's it, our turmeric oil is ready. This oil is so rich and it's great for cooking, skincare and hair care formulation. Thank you for watching and please subscribe, like and comment. Bye.